Hello world, this is Darin Martineau from Master Magic University, and in this video I'd like to talk about my new book, which is called Master Magic Guide. And this book is highly recommended for beginners, and I'm going to talk about what I've put in this book. So in the first chapter I talk about the magical foundations, okay? The magical foundations I teach is first the magic terminology and the rules of magic, the basic rules of magic. Um, The second foundation is the elements of magic. Foundation number 3 is the classics of magic. Foundation number 4 is the qualities of the master magicians. And foundation number 5 is methods. Foundation 6 is basic sleight of hand techniques. And then in the next chapter, I talk about A to Z list of the all of the best classic magic. Now, it doesn't have every single trick in the world. That would be huge, but it does very comprehensive list. Okay, covers all the best classics. Next, I have another A to Z list, which is the basic sleight of hand with objects, A to Z. Then I have in the next chapter types of magic performance. Then I have performance settings, like the ambiance. Then I have types of magic performance, the principles of magic structure. The next chapter, I have advice about magic performance, magic theory and concepts, psychological structure of magic, which is something that I'm really a specialty in creating shows and creating magic. The next one I have is the mistakes to avoid as a magician, then the don'ts of magic, what magic is not, then developing style, developing your character and style, the different schools of conjuring, the 7 atmospheres in magic, 8 emotional pills, uh, how to create magic and changing the elements of your magic routine, naturalness in magic, um, creating magic. There's a whole bunch of things on creating magic and structuring magic, misdirection, direction of attention skills, the principles of misdirection. Then I recommended tools, gaffs, and props, and then the world's greatest magicians. So this is kind of like a buyer's guide, and it's also when you click on the link, you you inside the book there's a link to video tutorials as well. So this is a really incredible book. It's now available on Amazon, so click on the link and get it. And then if you click on the link below this video and you put in your name and email, I'll also get you sent to you free magic tutorials, which I'm adding new ones every week. Currently I have 14 in there, but there's going to be a lot more. And I also have my mini master magic guide. So whether you're beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there's something for everybody. But this particular book is to guide the beginner on how to learn magic, how to create magic, and also a buyer's guide. So thank you very much. Have a magical day.